Being a university student can be awesome, but workload can pile on you. Hard. But if you're organised and cool about it, you can avoid it. First, plan your time. You're probably sick of timetables from school, but they can help you get your work done on time, avoiding beef from your teachers. Second, prioritise your life. Yeah, there may be a sick party going on tonight, or a film on Netflix that's just begging to be watched, but you're at uni. As cliche as it sounds, the work comes first. Third, talk to your mates and other students. If you're feeling stressed, you'll probably find that they're feeling the same, and talking to others can take some of the weight off of your shoulders. Also, if the stress and workload's getting too much to handle, talk to your subject teacher or a helper at your uni. They're pretty good with that stuff. And finally, stay disciplined. Meet deadlines and get work done. It's as simple as that. If you follow those tips, you'll have complete control, and you can start properly enjoying university the way it should be.